Basingstoke station, and I'm going to go to the Great Western Region shed, or the site of it as I should say. This is a map of both Basingstoke sheds. The Western region's the one at the right, the Southern region is the one at the left. You can see them as dark rectangles, and this is from a later version of a shed directory. It was actually a sub shed of 81D, and access was from the platform, but that's all cut off now, so I've got to find another route in. I think I can get down here and get in. It's on the other side of this line. This is the station to the left here, and there's a tunnel there. I can go through that tunnel. I love this old railway structure, they're great. So here we go again, under the tunnel. I know for a fact that there's a car park built over the site, and that says the British Rail car park there, but I think it's to the right here, the actual site. We'll soon find out if I can get in. Yes, this is it. This is the site of the Western Region Basingstoke shed. I'll try and find the exact location, which is down there a little bit. So this was the general area, and there was also a turntable here, I remember that. Anyway, this is it, this is the site. So that just about concludes this modern shed bash. So we're walking over the site where the actual shed was. It was a two road shed, and as I say, it was a sub shed. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.